We here at East Hamilton High School, Chattanooga, Tennessee, may have just revolutionized the whole shopping industry itself. Due to the COVID pandemic that affected us all in 2019, many small businesses, stores, and pharmacies have closed down. But I, Seeth, have come up with a solution, a delivery drone. But not like your other delivery drones with 4 blades and strings. This is a high quality octocopter, meaning it has 8 propellers and can self-fly. It also has 4 attachments, one of them being an insulated box that keeps the cold out and the heat in. And as you can see, the box opens so you can put your groceries and food in there. Another one being the hook attachment. This is to put any things like totes, shopping bags, or honestly anything that can be hanged onto the hook. The next one is a 4-arm clamp. This one is for things like cardboard boxes or really anything that weighs a lot but fits in the clamp. The last one being a 2-arm clamp. This is for things that are really big in size. So for example, things like wooden beams or metal beams or things like hardware. And with you having to do less of this, it'll leave you with more of this.